Okay, so you can change the intensity with the clear if you so choose to, but I use both bottles when I mix, and I use a 20 developer. Salon Care Volume 20. I'm going to be mixing Flare Me, so 1-to-1 ratio. So these are 2 ounce, 2 ounce, so total is 4 ounce of the product, and I'm going to be mixing that with a total of 4 ounce of the developer. I've lost my developer bottle. Okay, you can either mix it in the bowl, which is easier sometimes, or you can shake it and mix it in here. So there's the Flare Me, the Be Blue, and the part of the purple. There we go. Probably should have mixed it in the bowl, as I'm thinking. Alright, looks like it's all ready to be mixed up. I think place your finger over the tip of the applicator and shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. So not bad, only a little bit of white left. I think what we'll do now is squeeze it into the bowl. There we go. I'm just going to start putting some saturate color on it. I'm going to do that for that. I'm going to start up here. I'm going to show what the oxidation looks like. Just going in there like that. It is really getting dark under there. It looks really blue. I know I mixed it up good enough, so okay, I'm not afraid. I'm a little afraid, but not afraid. I'm going to go around and just going to do the perimeter. There we go. So it's starting to look a lot darker back there now. Nice blue. I really just try to paint it around, even if it's my scalp. I try to paint in those little areas and make it look as even as humanly possible. So let's see the back. And then I've got this here. It's fully oxidized. So here we are. Guy here. I'm getting nervous, like really nervous. I didn't realize I had this much hair. I think I'm gonna do one side. Look at all that blonde. So much of it. And then what I do, I take some on my hands. This is my infamous move. And I take some on my hands and I slather it on. I don't think everybody has to slather like me. I think if you have really thick hair, you better slather. Ooh, you better slather. But if you don't have really thick hair, maybe you're alright without doing the slather, you know. Now I'm going to take each section and go through it. Because like I can see here, there's little ribbons of blonde. Seems pretty good. There's a stripe. I'm just going to go back through all this and just kind of super saturate. I'm twisting the hair. Now that I've got it all pulled over to one side, then I'm going to pull it back over to the other side and just double check, make sure I'm checking. I've probably got a little less than a half a bottle left. Alright, so looking at the oxidation, that's what the bowl looks like. There's the pretty purple. Alright, I feel pretty saturated, but I really need to start timing it, so. Okay Google, set timer for 35 minutes. That's always the story of why I do my hair, because I generally can't find any hairdressers that are reasonably priced, okay? So reasonably priced, and then that know what they're doing. And I get it. It's a lot of work. So, you know, I'm not mad at it or nothing. I like doing my own hair now because I can control generally the outcome. I generally can kind of know what I want done and how to achieve it. The only bad thing is I do worry about the quality of my hair. Okay. Fun talk. Yeah, we're just waiting. We're setting it out now. We're just checking in. So this is what it looks like. And it's going good. Saturated. Feels good. Checking the hair, making sure it's not falling out too much. Seems well. I'm very excited. Like I say, this is my favorite color, so I'm really excited about it. Never wash out your bowl until you are dried and appreciate your beauty. So here's what I want to show. I've got about that much left. You can see it's oxidized pretty well. Just gonna move the hair around. Just see if I see any glaring pieces of blonde. So what do you do after you get through coloring? Washing out. All right. You apply a color after treatment. I happen to have stole one of these. So this is it. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to towel dry it. It says towel dry it and then leave it on for 2 minutes is what it says. So it feels very freaking dry. So I'm extremely happy to have some of this on hand. Well, at least there's wigs in life, you know. All right. And this is what the final look looks like wet. I do not have time to dry it tonight.